Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Rank Math redirects and 404 logs, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to your WordPress dashboard. Log in with your username and password. In the left sidebar, locate the Rank Math plugin. Hover over the Rank Math option to reveal additional menu items. Click on the Redirections tab. In the Redirections section, you will see various options and existing redirects. Look for the Export button, usually located at the top of the page. Click the Export button to download your redirects in a CSV file. Next, return to the left sidebar and select 404 Monitor under the Rank Math section. In the 404 Monitor area, you'll find a log of all the 404 errors on your site. Locate the Export button here as well, typically positioned at the top of the page. Click the Export button to download your 404 logs in a CSV format. Once the file downloads, check your computer's default download location. Open the downloaded CSV files to review the contents. You now have a complete backup of your redirects and 404 logs from Rank Math. This information is vital for optimizing your site's performance. Keep this data in a safe place for future reference. You have successfully downloaded both the redirects and 404 logs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.